The restaurant industry is a very demanding industry, high expenses and high overheads. Every dollar saved make a big difference to the bottom line. For example, labor costs. Imagine if you're in a situation where you have a waiter or waitress who makes, say, 100 movements from the kitchen to the dining room every 8-hour shift, and we manage to shave 15, 20, 25, 30 seconds from each trip. What difference would it make to our labor costs? How much cost saving will we make? That's an example of why we need a work analysis and design in our restaurants. Let's discuss this right now. In the bustling industry of the restaurants industry, where efficiency and customer satisfaction are paramount, work analysis and design play a vital role in optimizing operations and enhancing overall performance. We'll discuss how work analysis and design can help and highlight the advantages it can bring to your restaurant, the potential consequences of not implementing these practices, and provide essential insights of how effectively carrying out work analysis and design in your restaurant can help. Why do you need a work analysis and design in any industry, especially the restaurant industry? Work analysis and design enables restaurant owners and managers to streamline operations, leading to increased efficiency and productivity. By carefully evaluating and documenting tasks, roles, responsibilities, you can identify bottlenecks. For example, if you have a job description, which not many restaurants do have, it sets down the task of what they should do. That's the basis of this analysis. This ensures that each staff member is clear about their duties, leading to better coordination and ultimately higher productive levels. So they basically know what to do, how they do it, the process they need to do it to ensure maximum productivity for the restaurant and for themselves, saving on costs and saving on work for themselves, making life easy for them. Cost control. Through careful work analysis and design, restaurant owners can identify areas where resources are being underutilized or miscalculated. So ingredients costs, you're buying the specifications, I've discussed in other videos, and you ensure those materials are worked effectively. By understanding the specific requirements of each task, you can allocate right number of staff members with appropriate skills, thereby avoiding overstaffing or any labor costs. Optimizing work processes helps minimize wastage and enhance cost control, leading to improved profitability and reduce waste. So all this leads to cutting your food costs down. Customer satisfaction. Efficient work analysis and design contribute to a seamless dining experience for customers. By carefully designing job roles and responsibilities through training and job descriptions, the staff know exactly what to do. It's done the same way all the time. They know what to do, and more importantly, the customer gets the same level of service time and time again, maintaining your standards. Obviously, come back to reducing complaints, improving feedback, and the chances of the customers coming back are certainly enhanced. This includes optimizing the sequence of tasks and cross-training of staff members to handle different roles, reducing customer wait times, and delivering exceptional service consistently, employee engagement and retention. Implementing this in the restaurant demonstrates that your commitment to providing a structured and supportive work environment by clearly defining roles. Everyone knows what they're doing. Nothing's worse than staff coming and not knowing what they're doing. Sounds odd, doesn't it? I can assure you, it happens a lot. And morale drops. They say, oh, they don't know what they're doing there. Your reputation's tatters. They don't want to work for you. This implementation fosters a sense of engagement and fulfillment, leading to high employment satisfaction and retention rates. What happens without work analysis and design? Inefficiency and chaos, lack of organization, chaotic workflows and inefficiencies. People who bumping into each other, falling over each other, reaching out to get plates from the kitchen or in the wash area, or serving the customers. It becomes mistakes, dissatisfied customers. This can tarnish your restaurant's reputation and negatively impact customer loyalty. Higher costs. Without this work analysis and design, restaurants may face high costs due to inefficient resource allocation, overstaffing, improper task assignments, lack of streamlined workflows can result in unnecessary labor expenses, wasted ingredients, and increased overhead costs. Maybe they're not stored correctly, they're not placed correctly in the service areas, or whatever it may be, all adds up. Basically, how you do it. You begin by conducting a thorough analysis of each task involved in the restaurant's daily operations. Identify specific steps, skill requirements, and time needed to complete each task. Based on task analysis, design job roles and responsibilities that align with these skills and expertise. Consider cross-training opportunities to ensure flexibility and optimize staff utilization. Workflow organization. Examine the sequence of tasks and identify opportunities to optimize the workflow, minimize bottlenecks, streamline processes, and establish clear communication channels among staff members, especially things like the chef and the waiting staff, the service areas, which is where the most friction occurs in restaurants. Performance measurement. Establish key performance indicators to track and measure individual team performance. Regularly assess performance against these metrics. Provide constructive feedback and recognition to motivate your staff. They're saving time, they're saving money, some motivation. Maybe if you reach a certain goal, you can give them some reward or something, a day off or some sort of prize, bottle of wine or whatever it may be. Staff training and development. Invest in comprehensive training programs to ensure that staff members are equipped with necessary skills to perform the roles effectively. So you've got job descriptions, and you go through the job descriptions, seeing what they're doing, correcting their mistakes, fine-tune it so they know exactly to follow that sequence. Provide ongoing development opportunities to enhance their expertise and adapt to changing industry trends. New menus, new equipment, new layout of the restaurant, where it may be. Effective communication is critical for successful work analysis. Foster an environment where staff members can openly communicate, share ideas, and collaborate. Regular team meetings and feedback sessions can help address any challenges and ensure everyone is aligned with the established work process. People know what they're doing. Bear in mind you've got staff coming and going, so you've got new staff coming, they have to be trained and fit into the whole system. It's a system. Work analysis and design should be flexible to accommodate changing circumstances and evolving customer demands. Different systems for breakfast or lunch and dinner, different menus, different times of day, certain segments for functions or large groups and small groups and couples, whatever it may be. So it has to be flexible so the staff know what they're doing and adjust accordingly. Encourage staff members to provide effectiveness and implement changes. Continuously seek ways to enhance operational efficiency and customer retention. The staff know their job, or hopefully they do know their job. They've got ideas how they can. You're helping them. Ask them to help you help them. You'll be surprised how much feedback they give you, and positive feedback that is. Work analysis and design are essential components of successful restaurant management. By implementing these practices, you can achieve greater efficiency, control costs, and enhance efficiency. By implementing these practices, you can achieve greater efficiency, control costs, enhance customer satisfaction, improve employee engagement and retention. Without work analysis and design, the consequences may include inefficiency, inconsistency, of service quality, high costs. To carry out work analysis and design, focus on task analysis, job design, workflow optimization, communication, and collaboration, flexibility, and continuous improvement over and over again. By prioritizing these areas, you can establish a well-structured and high-performing restaurant operation. An operation which works efficiently, keeps costs minimal, and achieves a high customer satisfaction. Do you implement any work analysis design in your restaurant? I'd like to hear some examples if you do. I'd like to hear comments and subscribe to this channel.